System of equations, Part C. Substitution method. Substitute in one of the variables in terms of the others. Okay, let's see here. We want to create an equation in terms of one of the variables, so we can replace it in the other equation. As an example here, we have it right here. We have it x equal to 4y. So we can use this in the other equation. So we have x equal 4y. We can use it in the equation LB. So we remove x and put the 4y. So instead of x minus 3y, so we have 4y minus 3y equals 7. We substituted the value of x, which is 4y. So 4y minus 3y will be y equals 7. So y is equal to 7. Now we got y. Now we can apply this in LA to get the value of x. So this is LA again. I have written it down again. So we have x equal 4y. So we have y equals 7. Let's substitute with x equal 4 times 7. So x is equal to 28. Okay, the only thing left is to check. So we will try the values x equal 28 and y equal 7 in LB. So we'll put the value of x instead of x and the value of y instead of y. So we have 28 minus 3 times 7 equals 7. So it will be 28 minus 21 equals 7. So we have 7 equals 7. Our solution is correct. Congratulations. Okay, exercise 2. Find the value of x and y. Okay, we have it here, LA, y equal to x, and we have 4x plus 2y equals 16. So we can take the y equal to x and apply it in LB. So we have 4x plus 2 times 2x equals 16. Take the value of y, which is 2x instead of y. So we have 4x plus 2 times 2x equals 16. So we have 4 plus 4x equals 16. So it will be 8x equals 16. So x, we will send the 8 by divide to the other side. So we will have x equals 16 over 8. So the value of x will be 2. Okay, let's take the 2 and substitute in LA. Let's write LA again here. So you have LA equal y equal to x. So we put the value of x equal 2. So we have y equal 2 times 2. So we have y equal 4. Okay, to check we will try the values we got here, 2 and 4, in LB. 4x plus 2y equals 16. So we'll put the 2 and the 4. 4 times 2 plus 2 times 4 equals 16. Which will be 8 plus 8 equals 16. And it will be 16 equals 16. We got the right one. Okay, but before we try this exercise, I want to say something. We can try it in the other way. Maybe you can say x minus 3y equal 5. You can make it x equal 5 plus 3y. So you have it instead of x equal 3y. Or you can say y equal x over 3. But the solution with this method will be, harder, But if you want to do it, you can do it. It will consume you like a little bit more time. But if you, choose the wrong, made the wrong decision, don't panic. You will get the right answer at the end. Okay. So let's take the x equal 3y and apply it in LB. So we have 3y minus 3y equal 5. So you have 0 equal 5. Remember in the previous session, when we have that only means one thing. That this equation have no solution as these two lines are parallel to each other. If we draw them, you'll see they are parallel to each other. Exercise 4. Find the value of m and n. So we have 3m plus 2n equal 10 and 2m minus n equal 9. We want to get this equation in terms of any of the variables, and we have no equation like that now. So we can try to manipulate one of the equations. I see here the coefficient of n is -1, so it will be easier to try with this equation. So let's send the 2m to the other side by negative. So we have 9 minus 2m, negative n. So to get rid of this negative, we multiply -1 to both sides, or just flip them around. So we'll have n equal -9 plus 2m. We multiply -1 to both sides. Now we can use this equation n and substitute with the value of n, which is -9 plus 2m, in equation 1. So let's take equation 1, 3m plus 2n. We will put the -9 plus 2m, or 2m minus 9. It doesn't matter if you write the 2n before the -9 or the -9 before the 2n, equal 10. Okay, so to break the bracket, we must multiply 2 to the 2m and 2 to the -9. So we multiply it to both. So we have 3m plus 2 times 2m minus 2 times 9 equal 10. So we have 3m plus 4n minus 18 equal 10. So we can gather the like terms. So we'll have 7m minus 18 equal 10. We can send the -18 to the other side. So we have 7m equal 10 plus 18, which will be 28. Then send the 7 by divide to the other side. So we have m equal 28 divided 7. We got it there, m equal 4. Now we can use it in either equation 1 or equation 2. Let's use it in equation 1 here. So we have 3m plus 2n equal 10. This is equation 1. I've just written it again here. So let's put the value of m, which is 4. So 3 times 4 plus 2n equal 10. So we have 12 plus 2n equal 10. Send the 12 to the other side. So we have 2n equal 10 minus 12. So we have 2n equal -2. Divide 2. So we have 2n equal -2 divided 2. We have sent the 2 to the other side by divide. So n is equal to -1. Okay, to check, you'll get the value of m and n, which was 4 and -1. In equation 2, I have rewritten it again here. So we have m equal 4 and n equal -1. So 2 times 4 minus -1. So we have 8 plus 1 equal 9. So we have 9 equal 9. It's correct. Okay. Exercise 5. Find the value of m and n. Okay. Fortunately here we have the n, and it's ready to directly be used. Okay. Can directly use it in the equation 1. So we have 3m plus n over 3 equals 12. Let's use it again. 3m plus, you'll put the value of n here, 36 minus 9, all divided 3 equal 12. Okay, to break the bracket, we have to put divided 3 here and divided 3 here. Both. So you have 3m plus 36 divided 3 minus 9m divided 3, which will be 3m plus 12 minus 3m. So we have positive 3m and negative 3m, they will cancel out each other. So we have 12 equal 12. You see that? It's strange, right? Yes, it's strange. And even if you tried with the other equation to get n in terms of m, or m in terms of n, you will always get a result like that, a number equal to the number. That only means one thing, that these equations are the same. They have infinite number of solutions. You see here, I drew the first equation. I consider them x and y, and I draw them. This is the line here. I do the second equation. This is the same. You see? This is the first, this is the second. They are identical. They are exactly the same. Okay. Exercise 6. Find the value of r and s. Okay, we have here 7r plus 2s equals 16, and -21r minus 6x equal 24. Okay, let's see here what we can choose. Okay, I think we can use the s here, so we can remove the r, we can send it to the other side, but it will be negative, so negative 6x equals 24 plus 21r. So you multiply them both by -1, or send -6 by divide to the other side. So you have 6 equal 24 plus 21r, both are divided by -6. So we have 24 divided -6 plus 21r divided -6. it will be negative 4 minus 21r over 6. Okay, we can use this in equation 1. Okay, you have 7r plus 2 multiply negative 4 minus 21r over 6 equals 6. To break the bracket, you multiply 2 to both here. So you have 7r plus 2 times negative 4 minus 2 times 21r over 6 equals 16. Okay, so we'll multiply them. We have 7r minus 8 minus 7r equals 16. So we have positive 7r and negative 7r, so they will cancel out each other. So we have negative 8 equals 16. Remember? So this means one thing. If they are lines, they are parallel, and there is no solution to these equations. Exercise 7. Find the value of x and y. Now here we have three equations, or three lines. Equation 1, equation A and B and C. So we have z equal 5x and y plus z equal 5x, then z minus 3x equal 2. Okay, now we have this equation ready. We can use it. Maybe we can eliminate the x. We can use it in LC. So we will use the LA in LC to eliminate the x. So here we, instead of that, we will put its value, which is 5x. So 5x minus 3x equal 2. So 2x equal 2. So the x will be equal to 2. Send the 2 to the other side by divide. So we have x equal to over 2. So x is equal to 1. Okay, we can use it in LA, the first equation here. Remember, z equal 5x. We can use it here. So z equal 5 times 1. So z is equal to 5. Okay, we got the x and the z1 and 5. Only thing left here is the y. We can use these two values now in LB to get the y. So we'll use them in LB. This is LB, y plus z equal 5x. So we have y plus 5 equal 5 times 1. So send the 5 to the other side to be minus. So we have 5 minus 5. So y is equal to 0. Feel free to check this solution by applying all of these, answers to any one of the equations. Okay. Homework: find the value of x and y for these two equations. When you find them, write them in the comments section below. Remember, we are done with the elimination and with the substitution and with the graphical. The only thing left now is the matrix, which will be in part D.